I think work-life balance is a lie. In this 5-part series, I'm going to share why I believe the work-life balance narrative is fundamentally flawed and how you can build a life where you actually feel. Now, before you close this video, hear me out. So, I have been the biggest advocate for work-life balance throughout my corporate career. I have spent 14 years in corporate and I have always tried to create some form of balance in my life to include travel, reading, or pursuing any hobbies or any other educational goal that I always wanted to do. But in reality, I was never really present when I was doing all those things. Even when I was traveling, my mind would always come back to work, and I would keep thinking, what if someone needs my response? What if there is an urgent email that no one else can respond to except me? Or what if someone else picks up my project and I'm no longer relevant when I'm back? Even while having dinner or hanging out with friends outside work, I would get the itch to check my email. This also affected my sleep. So when I would go to sleep, even during that time, all the thoughts that were circling around my head the entire day would come at the same time together during the night. And I would constantly become anxious. I would constantly think, this task is pending. Oh, I did not respond to this guy. And that made me realize that there is no such button in our head which you can press and say that I am now going to live my personal life because I have shut down my work, and I should no longer be thinking about work or any of the pending activities. But that's not the reality. That's not what happens in life. You cannot really switch off your brain when your work hours are over. The real problem is much deeper. For many of us, work becomes our identity. Our achievements become our self-worth. Our relevance become our confidence. And once that happens, your brain will refuse to disconnect. So the first step isn't about finding better balance. The first step is to actually realize that you have made work your entire identity. I'm still working on that myself. In fact, that's exactly why I started this page. In the next video, I'll show you the one system that completely changed how I think about work over the week.